Right, so here we are again then. We've got Dave in for his fourth fitting, I think it is now. So here's his new system. We've again increased the grey at the front. This time it's going to be 45% grey. 40 just around the temp areas, which we'll see how that blends beautifully later. And the rest of the system, 20%. So same extra light density, just got to get this excess lace trim off. But I'll just zoom in on the hairline. It's going to be a masterpiece. Quick haircut first from the back and sides. The glue is on. Nice glue all over we're doing today. Let's roll the system on. And let's check that hairline out. Well, there we go. So that's the hairline. I've just pulled back the hair. If you just tilt your head just aside a little bit, yeah, like that, you can see the side grey. Yeah, so you see Dave's natural grey there, 40% grey. That's going to match up brilliantly. And of course, graduately, is that even a word? But it gets less grey and a bit darker as the blend goes around the sides. But yeah, if you get close to zoom in nice and close, Dave, look at that. What an absolute beauty. I'll do some close-up shots and some different angles, I think, as well. Right, so let's just do a bit more of a close-up here. That's going to be that side perimeter hair, which will blend shortly, but well, yeah, I reckon you should leave it longer.
Just have a rat's tail.
Yeah, why not? I think a nice undercut would have been good. Got no binoculars on today. Really good job with the grey sandwiches, haven't they? It will blend into your own hair.
On the sides and 20 everywhere else, just to try and blend it in. I'm just going grey. That's simple as it is. So time to increase it, and there we are. Imagine having that much hair.